Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we'll guide you through the process of installing Anaconda, an essential tool for any Python programmer. The first step is to download Anaconda. Go to the official Anaconda website at anaconda.com. Once you're on the website, click on the download button at the top right corner. And just a heads up, the website design might change since this video was recorded. But no worries, the download button will most likely still be in the upper right corner. During the download process, you might see an option to register with Anaconda. This is completely optional. You can skip registration like I'm doing in this video, and you'll still be able to use Anaconda freely. On the download page, you'll see options for different operating systems. Choose the one that matches your computer. For this tutorial, we'll download the Mac version. Great! Now that we've downloaded the installer, it's time to install Anaconda on our computer. Double-click the file to start the installation process. Keep clicking the Continue button until you see the software license agreement. Then click Agree. In the installation type, click Install. When you get this prompt, enter your admin password, then click Install Software. The installation might take a few minutes, so be patient. And once it's done, click Close. You're doing good so far. But let's verify if the installation was successful. Open the Anaconda navigator from your Applications folder. If a new version of Anaconda is available, click Update. When Anaconda Navigator opens, you'll see a dashboard with various tools and applications. If you see this, good job. You've successfully installed Anaconda. The final section of this tutorial involves running tests to ensure Anaconda is set up correctly. Navigate to Applications, Utilities folder, and then launch the terminal application. In here, type Conda and press Enter. This should display the path to your Anaconda installation. Next, type Conda list and press Enter. This will list all installed packages if Anaconda is installed correctly. If any of these steps fail, your Anaconda installation might be incomplete or corrupted. If so, leave a comment and our developers community will assist you. And that's it. You've successfully installed Anaconda, verified the installation, and created your first environment. You're now ready to start coding in Python with all the tools you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up for the algorithm. And don't forget to subscribe for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!